Hey everyone guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats to pay for your favorite meals, guys. So it is actually a very super simple process. So actually let's dive right in. So first things first, guys, what you want to do is you want to open up the Uber Eats app on your phone and log in, okay? Browse the menu and just add the items you want to your cart as usual, okay? And once you've selected your items, just tap on your cart to proceed to checkout. So at the checkout screen, okay, you'll see the payment options listed, okay? Just tap on payment method, okay? Payment method to view your available payment methods like here, right here, guys, okay? So from the list, what you want to do is you want to select Uber Cash as your payment method. And then just confirm your order. And basically what's going to happen, your Uber Cash balance will be applied to cover the total amount. And that's it, guys. You have successfully used Uber Cash and Uber Eats. If this tutorial, guys, was helpful, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Of course, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow guides. And I'll see you guys